Life can be very challenging. There are moments when everything seems to collapse, when your heart feels heavy and your mind feels lost. You try your best, but the world does not respond as you hoped. People may betray you, opportunities may disappear, and your own plans may fail. In these moments, it is easy to feel broken, as if nothing will ever work out. But know this: when life breaks you, Allah is building you. Every trial, every difficulty, and every loss is a piece of the construction of your heart and your soul. It is natural to feel sorrow, fear, and pain. These emotions are human, and Allah understands them. But do not allow these feelings to control you. Even when the darkness is overwhelming, you can find light if you place your trust in Him. When your heart is heavy, speak to Allah with sincerity. Tell Him your fears, your doubts, and your pain. Let Him know that you need His guidance and support. Even the simplest words, spoken from a heart that truly believes, carry power. Remember, life's challenges are not punishments. They are tests meant to shape you into a stronger, wiser, and more compassionate person. Every trial you face is an opportunity to turn back to Allah, to strengthen your faith, and to grow spiritually. Just as a blacksmith uses fire to shape metal, Allah uses trials to shape your character. Your pain, your struggles, and your challenges are not meaningless. They have purpose. When you feel like giving up, remember the stories of the prophets. Prophet Yusuf faced betrayal, separation, and false accusations, yet he remained patient and trusted in Allah. Prophet Musa faced oppression and hardship, yet he did not lose faith. Prophet Muhammad endured ridicule, loss, and immense difficulties, yet he never lost hope in Allah's plan. If the prophets, with their closeness to Allah, faced such trials, then you too can hold firm in your faith. It is essential to understand that patience is not passive. Patience does not mean doing nothing. Patience means continuing to act, striving sincerely, and trusting that Allah is in control of the outcome. This is called tawakkul. Work hard, do your best, but remember that the results belong to Allah. Your efforts are important, but they are not the only factor. Allah's wisdom and plan are far greater than anything you can see or understand. Even in moments of despair, gratitude can be a source of strength. Look for the small blessings in your life. Appreciate the people who care for you, the opportunities you still have, and the simple moments that bring peace. Gratitude opens the heart and strengthens trust in Allah. It shifts your focus from what is lost to what remains, and it reminds you that Allah is always with you, even in the darkest times. Fear is a natural companion to hardship. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of uncertainty. But fear does not have to paralyze you. Instead, let it bring you closer to Allah. Let it remind you to rely on Him, to seek His guidance, and to act with sincerity. Fear can become a tool for growth if you respond with faith and trust. Take action, but leave the results to Allah. When you do this, your heart will find peace even amidst chaos. Small actions have great power. A kind word, a simple act of charity, or a quiet prayer can carry immense reward. These small steps are not insignificant. They strengthen your heart, bring relief to your soul, and remind you that Allah is always near. Even when nothing seems to change, your efforts are noticed, and your perseverance matters. Do not compare your journey to others. Every person has a unique path, with trials and blessings that are specific to them. Focus on your own connection with Allah. Keep your intentions pure, act sincerely, and trust that your path is guided. Your struggles today will become your strength tomorrow. Your trials will teach lessons that no success could ever provide. Life is temporary, but the lessons you gain are eternal. Every moment of patience, every act of trust, every sincere prayer is stored with Allah. These are treasures that cannot be taken away. Hold on to them. Nourish your heart with faith, and do not let despair take root. Even when you feel broken, you are being built. Allah is shaping you into a stronger, more resilient person, and every difficulty is part of that construction. Even when the world seems heavy, even when no one seems to understand, remember that Allah understands. He sees your pain, hears your whispers, and knows your struggles. Place your trust in Him. Let your heart be anchored in patience and faith. The darkness you feel today is temporary. Relief will come and ease will follow hardship. Keep moving forward, keep praying, and keep trusting. Your heart is stronger than you think, and Allah's mercy is wider than any trial. Sometimes life tests you repeatedly. One challenge ends and another begins. But each trial carries a lesson. Each hardship is shaping your character, refining your patience, and bringing you closer to Allah. Do not despair. Do not lose hope. The darkest nights are always followed by the morning light. Every tear you shed, every moment of struggle, and every act of patience is noticed by Allah. Your heart is being built even when it feels broken. Faith is the anchor in life's storms. Hold on to it firmly. Speak to Allah often with sincerity. Express your fears, your hopes, and your needs. He listens. He cares. He responds in ways that are sometimes hidden from your understanding but always perfect. Trust in His plan, even when it is not clear to you. The difficulties you face today are preparing you for blessings you cannot yet see. Do not let fear of the unknown stop you. Every step you take with sincerity, every effort made with trust in Allah is rewarded. Your journey is unique, and your struggles are shaping you into the person you are meant to become. Keep your heart firm, your intentions pure, and your faith strong. Even in the deepest darkness, know that Allah is closer than your own heart. He is your guide, your protector, and your comfort. No trial is permanent, no hardship is endless, relief is coming, and Allah's plan is perfect. Hold on to patience, maintain trust, and continue to pray. Your heart will heal, your soul will strengthen, and your faith will shine brighter than ever before. Life is a journey, and every step, whether difficult or joyful, has meaning. Do not fear the brokenness you feel. Allah is building you with each moment of struggle. He is shaping your character, elevating your soul, and preparing you for a future filled with His mercy and guidance. Keep trusting, keep striving, and never give up. Allah is with you always. Life does not always go the way we expect. Sometimes we face challenges that shake us to the core. We lose someone dear, we fail at something we have worked hard for, or we face difficulties that seem impossible to overcome. In these moments, it is easy to feel defeated, as if everything is against us. But know this, these moments are not the end. Allah is building you through every trial, every hardship, and every challenge you face. Do not be afraid of the pain. Pain is a part of life, and it is also a part of growth. When you feel broken, it is a sign that something is being reshaped within you. Your heart, your patience, and your faith are being strengthened. Every tear you shed, every moment of despair, and every effort to remain patient is noticed by Allah. Nothing is wasted. Every moment of sincerity and trust is recorded and will bear fruit in ways you cannot yet see. You may feel alone. The world may not understand you. People may betray you. Opportunities may vanish, and even your own expectations may fail. But in every one of these moments, Allah is closer than you imagine. He knows your heart, He sees your struggles, and He hears your prayers even when you cannot voice them. Trust in Him completely, because He is the most merciful, the most wise, and the best of planners. The darkness you face is temporary. Life is a series of ups and downs, and every trial carries with it a lesson. Sometimes the lesson is patience, sometimes humility, sometimes gratitude, and sometimes it is the realization that your reliance must always be on Allah. Even when you cannot see the path ahead, know that He is guiding you. The path may be hidden, but it exists, and He will make it clear when the time is right. Do not let fear dominate your heart. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of the unknown, these feelings are natural, but they should not control you. Let them remind you to turn to Allah to strengthen your faith and to act sincerely. Take the steps you can take, but leave the results to Him. Trust in His wisdom, because no one knows the full plan except Allah. Your efforts matter, but they are guided and completed by His will. Even the smallest acts matter. A smile in a difficult moment, a word of kindness, a short prayer whispered in secret, a moment of reflection and gratitude. These are all acts of faith that strengthen your heart. Do not underestimate their power. Every act of sincerity, no matter how small, is recorded by Allah and brings comfort to your soul. When you feel despair, focus on the blessings you still have. Gratitude is a powerful tool to strengthen the heart. Think of your family, your health, your shelter, your knowledge, and even the small joys in life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you have lost to what remains. It opens your heart and reminds you that Allah is always near, even in your darkest moments. Life will continue to test you, sometimes repeatedly. One difficulty may end only for another to appear, but do not despair. Each trial carries a hidden wisdom. Each challenge strengthens your faith, your character, and your patience. The Prophet faced hardship repeatedly, yet he never lost hope. If he could endure ridicule, loss, and opposition with unwavering faith, so can you. Keep your intentions pure. Focus on your own path, not the path of others. Comparison only leads to despair. Your journey is unique, and your trials are specific to you. Face them with patience, sincerity, and trust in Allah. Every challenge you overcome adds to your resilience. Every moment of struggle is an opportunity for growth and spiritual elevation. Prayer is your greatest refuge. Speak to Allah with your heart. Let your fears, your worries, your hopes, and your dreams reach Him. Even the simplest words of dua carry immense power when spoken sincerely. Your heart may feel heavy, your mind overwhelmed, but Allah hears you. He understands the depth of your pain, and He is ready to lift your burdens when the time is right. Trust in the process of life. Do not demand immediate solutions or expect everything to happen according to your timing. Allah's timing is perfect. What you perceive as delay may be a protection. What you see as loss may be a hidden blessing. The true wisdom of life is often revealed only in hindsight. Keep your faith strong and your heart patient. Even in moments of weakness, Allah's support is near. Your efforts, your patience, your prayers, and your trust are all seen by Him. He will never abandon those who remain sincere in their faith. The darkness is temporary, and relief will come. Every hardship is followed by ease, even if you cannot see it now. Do not underestimate the power of perseverance. Continue to act, continue to pray, continue to trust. Your heart is stronger than you realize. Every step you take with sincerity, every moment of patience, every act of trust is shaping you into a person who is spiritually and emotionally stronger. Allah is building you even when it feels like life is breaking you. Sometimes the trials may seem endless, The pain may feel too heavy, the burden too great. But even then, keep moving forward. Keep praying. Keep trusting. Keep believing that relief will come. No night is so dark that the morning cannot break it. No difficulty is so heavy that Allah cannot lighten it. Your heart may be broken, but Allah is mending it. Your soul may be weary, but He is strengthening it. Every challenge is a part of your construction, building resilience, patience, and faith. Hold on to Sabr, maintain trust in Him, and continue to seek His guidance. He is always near, always aware, always compassionate. Life is a test, but it is also a gift. The struggles you face are temporary, but the lessons you gain are eternal. The patience you practice, the prayers you make, and the trust you place in Allah are treasures that no one can take away. Keep your heart focused, your intention sincere, and your faith unwavering. Even when the world seems unfair, even when people fail you, even when plans collapse, Allah is in control. He sees the bigger picture. He knows what is best for you. Trust Him completely. Your broken moments are part of His construction. Your struggles are part of His plan. Relief will come. Peace will return. And your faith will shine brighter than ever before. Hold on to hope. Hold on to prayer. Hold on to trust. Keep moving forward, even when it is difficult. Allah is building you through every moment of trial, every tear, and every act of patience. He is shaping your heart, elevating your soul, and preparing you for blessings you cannot yet imagine.